So a brand needs to build strong relationships with its stakeholders through a number of different things, but let's start with who the stakeholders are. Obviously the stakeholders are the employees of a company as well as the customers, and if you can get both of those right, then I think the investors and everything that comes around that from brand equity fall in line. And Ericsson does a lot of work in building those relationships with both and that trust and sustainability. Our purpose is to build an intelligent, sustainable and connected world, and we do that through a variety of different means. So we provide technology, and what we've been talking about today is how the ICT industry can really help other industries in reducing their carbon emissions, and that's a really important purpose for us as a company. But for us as well, we take the sustainability message really core to our hearts as well, and our employees. And one of the things that we see is Ericsson Response is a great example of how our employees look at ways that they can help in society as well. And so this is a volunteer approach. It's been running now for 20 years. It's not a company-driven thing, and it's where our employees have recognized that when there is a natural disaster in the world, that they can volunteer and go to that disaster and work with other teams to help get the communications back on track, so that then the recovery services can then work much quicker as a result of that. And I think that's a classic example of how stakeholders can really understand the core values of a company and take that out to business.